learn Dugudum. It's choreographed by Mark Furnell and Chris Godden. It is a 32 count 2-wall intermediate level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, and then we'll go through and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Dugudum. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step back with our right foot. You're now going to swivel your left heel out to the left side and back center. You're going to step back with your left, swivel your right heel to the right, back center. We're now going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, left together, right forward. You're now going to take both arms, I'm going to turn so you can see, and you're going to swing them in front, crossing them in front, and then you're going to bring them out to the side. So you're kind of like making a figure 8 with your hands. So we just did our coaster. You're going to swing them in front, crossing them in front, and then out to the side. And as you bring them out to the side, you're going to put your weight onto your left foot and pop your right knee. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping back with your right. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a Dorothy step forward. So you're going to step your right foot forward. You're going to bring your left foot in and behind your right, and then step your right foot forward. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, doing a Dorothy step, stepping your left foot forward to face 9 o'clock. Bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then step your left foot forward. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side. We're going to weave, crossing our left behind our right. Step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right, and then we're going to quickly step our right foot to the right side, and you're going to touch your left toe behind your right and snap to the right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We just popped. You're doing your Dorothy. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Section 3. We're going to step our left foot to the left side. We're going to rock our right foot behind our left and recover onto our left foot. You're now going to step your right foot to the right side. You're going to rock your left foot behind your right and recover onto your right foot. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side. You're going to cross your right behind your left. You're going to quickly make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. And then we're going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just touched behind. You're doing your side, rock, back, recover. So it's 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Section 4, and our final section of the dance, we're going to do syncopated presses forward. So we're going to press forward onto our right, recover back onto your left, and quickly step your right next to your left. We're now going to press forward on our left, recover back on our right, and quickly step your left next to your right. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to step forward with your right foot, and then you're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 6 o'clock, ready to start the dance over again. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on our left. You're facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do your press with your right. So it's 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, stepping back with your right. It's back swivel, coaster step, cross back pop. Now your Dorothy, quarter Dorothy, side behind side, cross, side touch and snap. Now it's side, rock back, recover, side, rock back, recover, side, behind, quarter, walk, walk. Now it's press, recover, step, press, recover, step, step, half pivot, step, half back. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your back swivel. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. When you step back here, you're going to go right back with the right foot and do your swivel to start the next wall. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 4. So we will be facing 12 o'clock, and you'll be stepping back with your left foot to face the front. What we're going to do is step to the right and look over your shoulder to 3 o'clock. We're now going to roll our head from right to left, heading it backwards and looking up at the ceiling, really slow and dramatic, coming all the way back around, and on count 12, you're going to be looking directly forward towards 12 o'clock with your weight on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Stepping to the right is 1. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Weights on your left foot. You're ready to start the dance over again, stepping back with your right and doing your swivels. And that is the only tag. You'll hear it coming. On wall 4, the music does slightly change to give you a little bit of a warning that there is something coming, and your tag is all music with a little bit of siren. So you'll definitely hear the difference between the tag and then the regular 32 counts of the dance. Now, the ending, you don't have to worry about changing walls. The dance is going to end on your quick step to the right and touch behind, and you're just going to snap towards the right and look over your right shoulder to 12 o'clock, and that will be how you end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our step back with our right and swivel. So it's back swivel, coaster, step, cross in front, back, pop. Now you're Dorothy, quarter Dorothy, side, behind, side, cross, step, touch, and snap. Now your side, rock back, recover, side, rock back, recover, side, behind, quarter, walk, walk, it's press, recover, step, press, recover, step, step, half pivot, step, half, back, back, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, back swivel, coaster, step, cross, back, pop. Now you're Dorothy, quarter Dorothy, side, behind, side, cross, side, touch, and snap. Now your side, rock back, recover, side, rock back, recover, side, behind, quarter, walk, walk, press, recover, step, press, recover, step, step, half pivot, step, half back. At the end of this wall, you're going to do your tag. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, step to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, step back, it's back swivel, coaster, step, cross, back, pop. Now you're Dorothy, quarter Dorothy, side, behind, side, cross, step, touch, and snap. Now your side, rock back, recover, side, rock back, recover, side, behind, quarter, walk, walk, press, recover, step, step, half pivot, forward, half back, ready to start the dance all over again. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Dugudum. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Disimulo,